Hello friends. Today I will share with you top 5 best mini metal lathes for DIY enthusiasts. So let's check it out. Product listed as price, review rating. At number 5. WM210V CNC Lathe 850W 400mm stroke semi-automatic metal lathe. Experience advanced CNC technology with the WM210V CNC lathe. Boasting an 850W motor and a 400mm stroke, this semi-automatic metal lathe provides efficiency and precision in threading and metalwork. The stepless speed regulation offers seamless control, making it a valuable tool for professionals and hobbyists alike. Please note that the information can be changed at any time. At number 4. VEVOR Mini Metal Lathe Machine 7" by 14" Digital Display 550W Variable Speed. Enhance your metal turning and threading capabilities with the VEVOR Mini Metal Lathe Machine. Featuring a 550W motor and a digital display, this benchtop lathe offers precise control over variable speeds. The 3-jaw chuck ensures a secure grip on your workpiece, making it an excellent choice for metalworking enthusiasts. Mini Metal Lathe Machine 15 3/4. 1100W Variable Speed 125mm chuck. Discover limitless possibilities with the Mini Metal Lathe Machine. Boasting a robust 1100W motor, variable speed settings, 300 to 800mm, 50 to 2500 RPM, and a 125mm chuck, this lathe provides versatility for metalworking and drilling tasks. The optional chuck scale enhances accuracy, to the channel, making it an essential tool for your workshop. More videos. At number 2. VEVOR Mini Metal Lathe 650W Digital Control Benchtop Milling. Unlock the potential of metalworking with the VEVOR Mini Metal Lathe. Equipped with a 650W motor and digital control, this machine offers precision and efficiency. The sturdy metal gears ensure durability, making it a reliable choice for DIY metalworking projects. At number 1. DIY Mini Metal Wood Turning Lathe AC 100-240V 36W 20000R/min motor. Experience precision craftsmanship with the DIY Mini Metal Wood Turning Lathe. This powerful tool features a 36W motor capable of reaching 20,000 revolutions per minute. Ideal for woodworking projects, this lathe machine is versatile and user-friendly, providing a perfect balance of power and control for your creative endeavors.